Welcome to this video on the personal pronouns of Arabic. Understanding personal pronouns will allow you to better understand Arabic grammatical concepts, more easily work with examples of Arabic sentences, and will help you to better understand Arabic verbs. Personal pronouns stand in for nouns. What differentiates them from nouns is that they can refer to any usually understood entity or concept, whereas nouns refer to specific entities and concepts. Personal pronouns in Arabic have person, number, and gender. Person refers to the pronoun status within speech in the point of view of the speaker. So the first person refers to the speaker or a group within which the speaker is a part. The second person refers to whoever is being addressed by the speaker. The third person refers to anyone or anything that is not the speaker or the addressee. Number refers to the amount of the thing being referred to. So singular refers to one of the entity, dual refers to two of the entities, and plural refers to three or more of that entity. Although it will be seen used referring to two of the entity. Note that English does not have a dual number, only a singular and the plural. While gender is physical in English, that is referring to whether the referred to entity is physically male or female, or not having a gender at all, in Arabic gender is arbitrary. So while a word referring to an actual male or female would be masculine or feminine respectively, a word referring to something that does not have physical gender is still considered masculine or feminine. This gendering is arbitrary and mainly involved with and due to purposes of grammatical distinguishment. For example, the Arabic word for girl, bint, is feminine, while the Arabic for desert, sahra, is also feminine. The first person singular personal pronoun corresponding to English I is ana. Note that the first person does not differentiate in terms of gender. The first person also does not have a dual form. The first person plural, corresponding to we, is nahnu. Note that because the first person does not have a dual form, the plural form is applied for two of something in the first person. The second person masculine singular, corresponding to you when addressed to a man, is anta. The second person feminine singular, corresponding to you when addressed to a feminine thing, is anti. The second person dual, corresponding to you when speaking to two things, which does not differentiate in terms of gender, is antuma. The second person masculine plural, corresponding to you when speaking to multiple masculine things, is antum. The second person feminine plural, corresponding to you when speaking to multiple feminine things, is antuma. The third person masculine singular, corresponding to he and him, is hua. The third person feminine singular, corresponding to she or her, is hiya. The third person dual, which does not differentiate in terms of gender, corresponding to they and them when speaking about two things, is huma. The third person masculine plural, corresponding to they or them when speaking about multiple masculine things, is hum. The third person feminine plural, corresponding to they or them when speaking about feminine things, is hunna. This concludes this video on the Arabic personal pronouns.